An assistant attorney at the Travis County District Attorney's Office has resigned over claims the office put her in, quote, a compromised position that affected her ethics.
Court documents reveal she felt uncomfortable after she says she was asked to delete emails regarding an office dispute. KXAN's Avery Travis joining us with more on why some people in Austin are concerned this situation raises a red flag about the policies at the District Attorney's Office.
Yes, these are the emails that this assistant district attorney claims she was asked to delete. The emails began as an internal scheduling conflict between her and another colleague, but the DA's office has now published them in public court documents to try to clear up a situation they say is being blown out of proportion.
And you never have a fire without there being smoke, and there's a lot of smoke here.
Members of the Political Action Committee Save Austin Now are calling for a criminal investigation into the Travis County District Attorney over this court filing. This assistant district attorney says she resigned after being asked to delete emails she posted to the office's case management system called TechShare. She claims she was intimidated in the process.
That is a deeply concerning thing as we learn more and more about what's happening in the DA's office.
It's an important aspect of the criminal justice system is to be able to see the documents that are going to be used against you.
Alan Place with the Texas Criminal Defense Lawyers Association says the accused and their defense counsel have a right under state and constitutional law to see documents and evidence set to be used at trial. But he says those laws just apply to information about a case itself.
There can be issues that may arise in a prosecutor's office that probably are not in any real way tied to that.
That's what the district attorney says is happening here.
A junior attorney in our office got into an interpersonal dispute with another staff member and was asked not to air that grievance in our case management system.
The email chain reveals a staff member did tell the attorney, please delete the emails, with the subject line, TechShare. But Garza explains that's the system where his office posts documents and other evidence about the case for the defense. And he says that's where the emails were supposed to be deleted from.
There is nothing that we are hiding.
If there is an innocent explanation, then a criminal investigation can decide that independently.
The DA tells me these documents are all filed with a criminal district judge who he considers that independent oversight for a situation such as this one. We also reached out to the assistant district attorney involved in this, but our attempts to reach her were unsuccessful.